Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. In this tutorial, we are going to be learning how to accept friend requests on PUBG Mobile. First of all, open up PUBG Mobile on your device and from the main screen, tap on the Friends tab, which should be located at the top left underneath your profile. From the Friends tab, tap on the little bell icon at the top to see if you have any friend requests. To accept a request, click on Agree right next to the player's name. Soon after you do that, you will be able to add them as your friend. The player will be added in your friend list and you can start playing together. So that's how you easily accept those friend requests and squad up for an epic PUBG mobile match. If you found the tutorial to be helpful, like, share and subscribe for more of these tutorials. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.